In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view completed tasks in a Todoist project. If you've ever finished a busy day and wanted a quick way to review everything you checked off, this walkthrough is for you. We'll keep it simple and focus on showing completed tasks inside a specific project using Todoist's built-in display options. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look and how to bring your finished items back into view whenever you need them. First, open Todoist in your web browser or desktop app and make sure you're signed in. Once your workspace loads, you'll see your list of projects in the sidebar and your main task area in the center. We're going to work directly inside the project where your tasks live. Next, head to the project you want to review. Click the project name in the sidebar to open it. By default, Todoist usually hides completed tasks to keep your view clean and focused on what's left. That's helpful for staying on track, but sometimes you need to verify progress, double-check what's already done, or simply celebrate your wins. So let's bring those completed items back into the list. Look to the upper right of the project view for the display menu. Depending on your version, this may be labeled Display, View Options, or appear as an icon that opens View Settings. Click it to open the menu. Inside, find the option called Completed Tasks and toggle it on. As soon as you enable it, the list will refresh and show your finished tasks. They typically appear with a check mark in a slightly dimmed style, and you might see them grouped by the date they were completed, which makes it easy to review your progress day by day. Take a moment to scroll through and confirm what's been done. This is especially useful when you're auditing a project, preparing a status update, or making sure nothing was completed by mistake. When you've finished reviewing, you can return to the same display menu and toggle completed tasks off again to reduce visual clutter and refocus on what's still open. If you don't see the completed tasks option, make sure you're inside a project view rather than today, upcoming, or a filter. Interface labels can change with updates, but the idea remains the same. Open the display or view settings in the top right and turn on completed tasks. This setting only affects how tasks are displayed. It doesn't alter due dates or modify your data. That's it. You now know the quickest way to show completed tasks in a Todoist project. Try it on one of your projects and give yourself a clear snapshot of what you've accomplished.